There are times when you need to create compelling content that will pique the interest and fancy of your target audience, and I understand that this can be challenging. If you own a business, there is a good chance that you will be able to sell the services or products you are offering, and if you are a student, there is a high probability that you will receive the grade you desire in a subject. When it comes to this, there is one extremely effective website that will be of great assistance. The name of this underrated but powerful website is Quillbot. So what services does this website provide? To be more precise, this online tool is a paraphraser. You key in sentences to it and it effectively makes each sentence more interesting than ever as if written by a native speaker. Additionally, it includes 6 modes: standard, fluency, creative, formal, shorten, and expand. This way, you can tailor your style of writing to your intended audience, for example, to entertain or to inform. It's also worth noting that it includes a grammar checker, summarizer, and citation generator, which is in a beta version. You can add this as an extension to Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, and Google Docs to make it easier to access and use. There is a free version available, but the features are obviously limited. For example, in the free version, you can only paraphrase 700 characters, whereas in the premium version, you can paraphrase up to 10,000 characters. Believe me when I say that this tool is extremely beneficial and useful. It makes writing articles more productive while also making it more enjoyable. As a website owner, I've been producing a lot of web content with the help of this web tool without any problems. So that's it. It's highly recommended that you try the premium or paid version of it because it is extremely useful. Quillbot can be accessed via www.quillbot.com.